Come for a quick room tour. This is the Ruby Chamber Suite, 700 square footage, located at Virgin Hotel in Las Vegas. So as you walk in, there's a closet right here with an ironing box, and we also have some hangers, and there's a little bit of a drawer here, lots of storage. And this is fascinating. So here is another drawer. It comes with 2 small bottles of water, which is great. And when you open this, well, it's a mirror, a vanity. So that's me. Yes, just doing a room tour. So I upgraded to this for $40 more per night. It's in the Ruby Tower, the VIP suite that comes with valet parking. There's a lot of charging ports right here. Even the Type C is already on there. There's another extra storage on this side, and it also comes with a lock area there that you can store your valuables without worrying about what's going to happen. And it has directions there, 4 to 6 digits. You lock and then use the same codes to unlock it. And this side, there's a full body mirror, especially for us ladies who love seeing what we are doing, how we are getting dressed before we head out. So this just gives you a little overview on how you look like when you head out. So this is just perfect. And this space allows you, let's say if you're many people, it allows you to get ready without hustling together. And then there's also a chair here. So what's behind this door? Let's see. Back here is a full living area. So there's 2 full couches, and that's just my back. And then there's also a sitting area. Let's say if you're eating in the room, that's an area for you just to sit and enjoy your food. There's also a table right here. And on this side, it's the thermostat. And one thing I love with this, which I'll show you later on, is that there's different areas. The thermostat, there's different, what am I trying to say? So there's this thermostat right here, and then there's one on the other side next to the bedroom, next to the bed area, which I'll show you here in a minute. But I wanted to show you this cute light area. It took me a little bit to figure out exactly how it works, but then it's labeled with which area you need to turn on the light. There's the living room, pendant, floor lamp. And look at this wall hanging here. Yes, 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 yes. And that's exactly what I said when I walked into this room, because it's very, very beautiful, it's spacious, and I love that it's very clean as well. So far, I've looked around, but I'll do a little bit of cleaning as well. There's a lot of space, and that's just my suitcase. There's a lot of beautiful wall hangings over there as well for some aesthetics. It comes with 2 glasses here, and it's a no smoking. But let me tell you, as soon as I stepped out of Vegas, I was sneezing uncontrollably. Let's not be distracted. There is a TV on this side, and then another TV on this other side. So let's say you want to watch something while you're in bed, you can watch it. If you want to watch something while you're on the couch, you can do that as well. And it comes with this here, and don't be tempted to touch unless you're going to pay for it, because it says electric sensor billed upon removal. So as soon as you remove that, it bills you. There's also a mini bar down here. I don't drink, so I don't care for that, and I won't touch. And what I was told is as long as you don't use it, they won't bill you. And you can also ask them to remove it from there. Look at this beautiful floor lamp. Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. And of course, your trash cans. I love this area. So this is one area that you can just enjoy sitting, lounging if you don't want to be on the bed. There's more bedside tables. And look at this bed, guys. It's giving. Oh my goodness. Yes, a king size bed with 4 pillows. It's very beautiful. I love it. And the other thing I love about this is it has a bedside clock, and also you have your overhead lamps here in case you need to read and you don't want to bother the other person. There's more in this area. Okay, let's look at the bathroom here. So it's huge, very spacious. Look at this full tub. Like, I just want to soak in here right now. And there's a bar soap there for you if you need it. And I love that the shower came with full body soap, shampoo, and conditioner if you need it, and the overhead shower as well. And it has a detachable as well. Look at how much space you get in that shower. Oh my goodness. And then the bathroom the toilet is separate, so which is a plus. I hate when the toilet is together with the bathroom, which is different. And then look at the towels. There's a hair dryer there, and look at the vanity. There's the his and hers sinks as well. And this is the first hotel I've seen that has such a huge lotion. A lot of the places have like just the mini samples, and I love this. So let's go look at outside. Save the best for the last. So apparently this is the corner suite. It's a VIP wing in Ruby Tower, and I'm going to show you outside the view. Look at that, guys. It's beautiful, and I can imagine the beauty at night. I was here about 13 years ago with my husband here in Vegas, not in this room, here in Vegas for our honeymoon, and we had so much fun. We took the bus tour to Grand Canyon, and it was just amazing time together as a newlywed. And here I am again back in Vegas, and this time to explore and see what Vegas really has to offer. And I can't wait to see everything, not everything because I don't have the time, but I can't wait to see what Vegas has to offer, the city that doesn't sleep. Till next time, peace out.